Hello everyone, this is Kaustubh Naik and today is 3rd of August 2022. Here we are again to discuss on the post-market reports on Nifty and Bank Nifty with the world markets. So whatever has happened today in the market is purely based on my point of view, and this video commentary is only for the educational purpose. Now let's get back to the market. So we are in Bank Nifty August future in 3 minutes time frame, and we are opening 3 minutes time frame, and we can see as expected markets were slightly flat. Bank Nifty was definitely flat, this level opened around this level in the morning, and then took to what this 3 minutes first 3 minutes candle was approximately 100 points quick up, and from there it made lower highs. After making a lower highs, it created a bottom at 37,700, which is around 500 points lower. Let's put in some pivot levels to understand how the market has been. So as soon as the market has opened, it has touched the higher pivot level, from there creating a lower highs. It has closed this pivot level for the second time, which gave us a confirmation that it's going to touch this pivot level, and that is what happened. It took us 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, exactly 24 minutes from this pivot level to this pivot level to reach it, which is which is a bad thing. But then from here it hovered around, and then from bottom to again it has touched the top pivot level, and then came back again to the lower pivot level. From there it has again reached and crossed this pivot level. So if it in case if this would have touched if in case this candle would have if this candle's body would have closed around this pivot level, we could have expected it to go even higher, but it did not happen. It just from there it kept on failing and then kept up. But the time I am recording, the Dow Jones is trading 346 points higher, or 1.07% higher, which is 32,742.79, which definitely indicates that the tomorrow's market is gonna open on a positive note. So my expectations for tomorrow's market would be 38,115 to 38,200 at the opening levels, and from there the my first target would be 38,200, 38,500, and the third target would be 38,593 to 600. That would be the third target for the bank nifty, and this is completely my point of view. Now coming back to nifty, let's get into the nifty. We are on again 3 minutes time frame. Let's see where the market has opened. So looking at the charts, markets have slightly opened. Yes, so market has opened flat again over here, then crossed this pivot level. The next third after 918 and 9, yeah, 915, the market has opened up here, and then from here tried to reach this pivot level, but it couldn't happen. From there it gave us a good rejection. From here it closed this pivot level, made lower highs again in the nifty, and then from there it has continued into v-shaped lower. If we put in this mark, it has continued to go like this. If you see the trend line, yeah, so it has gone like this. So we can see it has easily breached below this, and it has gone it has kept on going down, and it has traded for a while around this pivot level, and then went for the side, touched the top, couldn't close above the body, couldn't close the body above the pivot level. So it came back down, took one more chance, closed the body above the pivot level, and from there you see little profit booking came. The stop loss of the short sellers were hit by here, and then we see a good rally has come over here. For tomorrow's, I am expecting it to open around 17,446 to anywhere between 7,500 it to open. And my first target and second target, my first target would be 17,523. Second target easily it can go up to 17,684. It will trouble us a little, but we can see that happening by around 12 p.m. So let us see whatever happens tomorrow. Let's go with it. Let us again trade cautiously because US Taiwan versus China is also on our head. So let's be careful. Sorry about that. So let's be careful on whatever we are gonna do. And the post market reports data has been come. The FII have bought for 765.79 crore, and the DII have sold for around 525 crore, which is again the cycle repeats. If DII buys, FII sells. If FII buys, DII sells, and then they are just hand to hand. So yes, let us see what's gonna happen tomorrow, and wish everyone the best. Well, thank you so much for staying up until here. See you all in the next episode. Trade safely.